Congress is trying to reform health care, but you don't want government coming between you and your insurance adjuster. So what's all this about a public health option? You want government running health care? What has government ever done right, except for Medicare, Social Security, winning World War II, and putting a man on the moon? Now those health insurance CEOs, they're smart. How else could they make $50 million a year? Their product sells out. They're turning customers away, 50 million of them. I'm just saying, don't hold your breath for universal health care, but don't despair. Because here are Doug's dozen 12 tips for people who don't have health insurance. Number 1, replace prescriptions with folk remedies. Instead of the expensive high blood pressure pills, use leeches. Number 2, if you're fainting all the time, tell your friends to stop giving you shocking news. Number 3, wheelchairs rent for $1,200. But for under $50 you can get duct tape, a camp stool, and 4 roller skates. Number 4, Boy Scouts are trained in first aid. Just don't move that fractured arm until the next camporee. Number 5, if you have too many broken bones for that, get a buddy to shove you in front of a rich guy's car. Number 6, if you're too broke to see a doctor, you do not have clinical depression. You're just bummed out. Hell, in your situation, you'd be crazy if you weren't depressed. Number 7, if you need care, sneak into Canada, or England, or France, or Norway, Denmark, Sweden, Austria, Spain, Holland, Belgium, Italy, Germany, or Japan. But just you remind them that America's got the most advanced medical technology in the world. Don't let them treat you like a refugee from some dysfunctional backwater. Number 8, no matter how tempting the disease looks, don't get sick when you're uninsured. You'd be amazed how many people ignore this simple rule. Number 9, if you must see a doctor, make sure he doesn't tell you what he's treating you for. That way later you won't have to lie on an insurance application. Number 10, if an insurer wants to drop you for a pre-existing condition, tell him the doctor was wrong. No, that's a misspelling. I was treated for canker sores. Number 11, your congressman has a terrific government-run health plan. Isn't your solution obvious? Get him to adopt you and put you on it. But number 12, the most important tip for people who don't have health insurance, whatever you do, don't force your congressman to get you that public option. Because if you do, trust me, you can forget about him adopting you.